Okay, there's still someone down there that responded to this. I know what I just heard. It was deep in the floor, way down here. They went boom, boom with metal. I don't know what came up on this stupid phone. Okay, what I just witnessed in the last 10 minutes was more of this. I'm not going to knock. Green light don't, because there's something going on I don't quite know. Okay, we're going to get back up. They were knocking like that. Deep in the floor. What I just witnessed, they did this savage, just... I'm not exaggerating. It went for an entire minute. I thought this shit here was going to be removed, but it was down there, at least 3 feet. You can hear some sort of gas or water. I'm safe, whatever it is, okay? At the time that shit was going off, there was a terrorist that I think was covertly killed. I honestly couldn't tell, and I was trying so hard to listen. It had the TV going. In the end, no TV. No fucking TV. In the end, I heard a terrorist in here moving around. I'm pretty sure to get the body out. Okay, now there's one coming from down there still. The female, I witnessed her leave. That one, no more. She down there. And you just heard this bitch fucking respond to that crap. There's water running. Like a while ago, that fucking terrorist cunt went down there. All that shit went off on the floor, that thing. And this cunt didn't come back up. And that is major, major business with the terrorist, counter-terrorist. So much I can't talk about it.